I've lived on the Isle of Wight my entire life. I think I was born at Shanklin. I know I've always lived in Lake as far as I'm concerned. I've never had any desire to leave the island, but I've always been interested in other countries. I remember I was off school quite a while, which dented all my education really. I used to like reading, but my mother brought me a book. But there was an article on the cuckoo, and it showed you the cuckoo with the eggs and that always stuck in my mind. Chap I worked with started me off on this photography lark, and it was through him I brought my first decent camera, which was a Zeiss camera. And he always impressed on me, get the best lens you can afford, and that's what I did. And when I got married, I didn't think about anything else, mortgages or anything like that. I went into photography. One day, a chap asked me if I was interested in buying his enlarger. So he let me pay so much a week for that, and so I set up my first darkroom in this funny little old bedroom. Of course, the room was covered in dust and you had to tread very, very carefully. But I was soon producing these marvellous pictures. I decided I wanted to take it a bit more serious in nature. It was always sad when the film cameras came to an end and I moved to digital. I found carrying all the gear about was a bit of a problem. But I've been lucky to carry on with my work in the shed. As I retired, I've managed to achieve quite a few nice pictures from the old pear tree. I've had the blackcap, greenfinches, goldfinches. Of course, photographing birds, this thing is the waiting game. So you get in the shed and you think, right, come on bird, but you could be waiting an hour, you could be waiting 5 minutes. And all the tension comes when the bird perches down. No, it's strange when you're stood in the shed. I'm always very content with my own company. Sometimes you think, am I wasting my time? You know, I should be doing other things. But you just get certain possession. You've got to achieve something to get these birds, and each one's different. In a way, I've been able to carry on photography of birds. The unfortunate thing is, you've got all this knowledge when it's a bit too late, really.